Done, Bharat. Narari. Okay, done. Yeah, simple. Now we created a form using predefined model. It is user. Okay, now simply I will call this form here in register form. Okay, first I need to import here from my app. Okay, it is already there. My app.forms, user creation forms there, contact form. Here I will give register form. Just give a comma and add one more class. Register form. Okay, then just pass here. Here I'll give form equal to what was that? Register form. Register form brackets. Then I will pass it as a dictionary keyword. Also will use form and value will be form. Okay, now using this keyword I will call this lines. Register form here, double brackets, form dot username. Copy, paste. Username, then what was that? First name, last name. First name, small. Last name, underscore name. Then email, password 1, password 2. Okay, name, first name, second name, email, password 1, password 2. Okay, I got those fields. Here, let me add like this. Username, first name, last name, email ID, password, confirm password. Okay, this one is better. Okay, now register form is ready. Now whatever I type here should get fetched and saved. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now if I press register, it will take me to this request with post data, method post. Now I need to fetch and save here. Here I will give if same thing. See what we did here while adding the contact we do that here. If method is post, same thing we'll do. Copy, same thing, paste. Everything is same. Instead of contact form, it is register form. That's it. Okay, once it is registered, now it should take me to login page, not with contact. Okay, same logic. If method is post, fetch the data, check, save, redirect. Else just show the form. Done, Bharat? Any confusion here? No confusion. Okay, simply. This same thing we are repeating again and again. What we did for addition, even update also same thing, just ID is extra. And register everything is same. Just we are using predefined model instead of user model. Okay, now one more thing we have to do. Say come to settings.py. This one you have to comment or else it will throw errors. Password validators. You have to create a unique password. See, user attributes similar varieties validator, then minimum length, common password, numeric. You no need this one. I want to save simple password like 123 ABC anything. So I will select and comment. Only this much you need to select. Control slash for comment. You comment this one and save all files. Okay, all files save. Now I will add a new user. Okay, Shahul is there, Hamid is there. Now I will try with Shah. Anything. Okay, username is Shah. Password I will keep same 123. 123. Register. See now register has been done. Come here, refresh. Shah is added. One more user. Okay, once it is added, it is taking me to login page. Okay, now I will log in using Shah 123. Now this one we have to do. Now we have to fetch the data and validate if this user is there here, then log in. Else don't log in. This logic we have to work now. Cleanup is done. Okay, now we have to work on login and logout. Okay, now here also I want to import something for authenticate. Okay, I need to authenticate the users. If that user is there, then log in. Else don't log in like that. Okay, here I'm not using form, Django form. Okay, normal input fields. Just I need to fetch the data and authenticate. Okay, so first I will import from Django dot contrib dot auth import authenticate comma login comma logout. Okay, these are predefined functions. Authenticate, login, logout. Okay, that's why I have given different here. Login user view, login, logout user view. If I give same thing logout login, then it will get confused whether I'm calling the predefined or user defined. So we have to keep different names. So this is predefined function login. Now this one is user defined. I have defined this function. Login user view. Okay, import this one. Now I need to fetch whatever I type here. I need to fetch this data. Before, what we were doing, we are checking if request method is post, then data. Okay, I'm getting from this one, this form, register form, with this one, because this is the form now. From form, I'm directly fetching the data. Now I'm not using form. I'm using input field, normal input field. See here, I'm using input fields now. I'm not using Django form. So here I need to do one thing. Give name. Name I will keep uname. Okay, shortcut username. For password I will give name pass. Okay, different pass. Okay, let it be pass. Uname pass. Okay, using this name I can fetch the data, whatever I type here. Okay, again save all files. Come back in login. Here now I will give if request dot method is equal to post. Then here I will give username equal to, I'm creating a variable to store this value. Username equal to request dot post dot get, I guess. Mm, just request post. Let's try this one. Here uname. Then password will be pass. Okay, request dot post uname. I'm fetching the uname. This one. Username will get stored in username and password. Let's try this one now. I'll give print username comma password. Let's see if it is fetching or not. Refresh. Login. Post has no attribute. I think it is get request dot post dot get dot. Okay, let's see. Refresh. Delete. Mm, Request has no attribute. I'm missing something here. Request dot post. This post itself. Yes. Got post should be capital. Request dot post dot get uname. See, go for the password. It is printed here. Okay, so it is request dot post dot get. Okay, now I need to authenticate. Here I will just give user a variable. Will store authenticate where username is equal to username, comma password is equal to password. Okay, this is predefined. Okay, authenticate is a function and these are the parameters. And this one I'm passing from here, username and password. Okay, it will authenticate. Now it will store the data here. If this user is there, that user data will get stored inside this user. Okay, any confusion now? Still it is there. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm fetching this data, whatever I type here, I press login using this keyword, this name, new name and pass. I'm fetching the data here. Okay, first I will check if request is post, then username should store this uname. Password should get store this password, this data. Okay, then I'm calling this authenticate, this predefined function. Okay, now this function will authenticate. If this username and password is there here, if it is there, the data will get stored in user. Till there any confusion? Okay, now I need to authenticate. If user dot is not if user is not none, where is that is not none? Have they updated something? Is anonymous is active, is authenticated. This one. If user is authenticated, then user dot login. Okay, simple. If this authenticated, if user is no, it is already authenticated. Is not none was there a function. They have updated something. Okay, let's try this one only. Then redirect to home page. I will give. Once it is login, take me to the home page. Refresh. Then I have logged in as Rahul 123. Login. Login now. Like this, it's not done. Okay, then login. User has not able to login. Okay, not with this. I need to be logged in. Inside that, I need to request, comma, user. Like this. Refresh. Rahul. 1, 2, 3. Login. Yes, now I got logged in. Refresh. It is now changed. It has changed the name. Shahul. Okay. If user is not done, which means this user, if if it is having some data, if it is not none, login. Okay. If it is not none, if it is none, will do nothing. This user is containing some data, then pass the data to this login request. Then once it is login, redirect me to home page. Okay, fetch, authentic, login. Done for that. Logout is very simple, just one line code. Here just need to call that logout request. That's it. Yeah. Once it is logout, it will take me to login page. Okay, now I want to show that name here. Welcome username. Instead of username, I need to show the actual data of user. If I logged in as Shahul, it should say welcome Shahul. Like that. Okay, that is also very simple. Just go here. Here instead of username, inside double brackets, like this. Welcome double brackets request dot user dot username. See, username we got. Welcome Shahul. Request dot user dot username. Then Bharat, this one. What about Narahari? Okay, now I will log out. See, if I log out, there is no username. It is just telling welcome. Now I will log in using another account. Hamid 1, 2, 3. Enter. See, welcome Hamid. And here you don't want this login again. Once it is login, it should show this logout option. And once it is logout, it should show me only login. Okay, like that. Vice versa. Once it is logged in, just give me the name and logout option. And once it is logout, just give me login option. Okay, using if condition we can do here. Okay, turn it to Django HTML DJ. Here if else. Okay, use this emits. Just type if. Okay, first you need to change the language mode, Django HTML. Then just type if else. Here I will give user dot is authenticated. User is authenticated. Yes. Okay, if user is authenticated, then just show me these options. Okay, else just show me login option. Refresh. See, login. Oh, it is authenticated. If authenticated is true, mm, if user is authenticated, then show me this one. What is showing ulta? Let me do this. Okay, log out. Log out. We some login different is we need to give underscore. Login. Okay. Now this will see. Welcome log out. We have to do underscore. If user underscore is authenticated like this. If user is authenticated, show me his name and logout option. Else show me login option. Any doubts? Confusion? No. Okay, so today what we did, we created three URLs. Login, logout, register. Okay, then we created three views. Register, login, logout. Okay, then we created a form for predefined model, which is user. Imported from here. Okay, then inside views, again we copy pasted the same thing, same form. What we did in this one, contact view. Same thing, just instead of contact, we gave register form. Okay, then login. Login, we did some different thing here. Okay, we have given this name attribute. Using this name attribute, we can fetch the data. Okay, once we press login, this request will go to this post request. Now, if method is post, get the name, password, authenticate. If user is not none, then login. And logout is very simple. Go to logout function, logout request. Once it is logout, take me to login page. Then Here we added a if condition. If user is logged in like that, if user is authenticated, show me his name and logout option. If he is not logged in, show me login option. That's it. Okay, tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday we will see how to filter this data. Okay, now I need to save this data with username. This one. Okay, the first three should come under Shaul. Then this one should come under Hamid like that. Okay, that setting we'll do on Monday. We need to link these tables. User with contact. You know what foreign key database? Even Surya is there. Do you have any idea about foreign key linking tables? Anyone? No. Database they have studied right? SQL linking two tables. See, these are two different tables. This is different table. This is different table. We can connect these two. For this particular user Hamid, I can save first two objects for this user, and for this user I can give this product like that. Here we just need to add one more field here where we can select the usernames. Okay, that will be foreign key. Okay, these are the columns: name, phone number, email ID. One more column for user. Okay, where it will show a drop down this one drop down option. From there we can select users. Okay, that one we can do using foreign key. Inside this drop down contain drop down message. What is that? Drop down field you can say. There it will list all the users data. We have three users. Here we can three user sessions. Using foreign key we can do that one. Same ID in different tables. Yes. Foreign key of this one user. In contact we'll add a foreign key which will relate to this model. All this model content will show inside that foreign key. Like that. Okay, this one any notes? Login, logout, register. Register is very simple, normal. Like how we did for contact. Yet this one is a little different. We are fetching using that name attribute. I given different name there. And these are the attributes of this function. And these are the variables. Parameters, this is variables. This one is this. This is predefined. Here I can use just user like this. User now. See now it is showing error like that. This one is different, this one is different. Here I am assigning to this username. Logout just we need to call that predefined function. This one. Logout and give the request. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between render and redirect? What render does and what redirect does? Anyone? Anyone? Render and redirect. It's simple. Hmm. Bharat, Rai, Surya. It's simple. From here only you can explain it. What render does, what redirect does. Guys, are you there? Yes, Bharat. It's simple. Explanation is here only. See. What is render doing? It is taking request and redirect is taking only URL. What does it mean? What is the meaning of render word? Render word. Render means something like fetching or taking. Okay, so it is just assigning HTML file to this request. That's it. Okay, whatever request we request from here, to that request it will attach this file and it will attach some this one also. Like this what it will say dictionary or any data. You can attach any data, any HTML file for particular request. Redirect it will just take a URL. It is like an anchor tag. It will just redirect me to different sites. It is redirecting me to this URL. Okay, then again in this URL will go here. Login. Where is that login? Login. Ah, here. Again it will render like this circles. Again this request will go to first URLs. Login user. Then again it will call this function. And the function it will redirect. It will again render me to this login HTML. Okay, from here we are calling the URLs. Here it is assigning the HTML file. So these definitions you need to remember. In the interview they will ask what is the difference between render and redirect. Then what is authenticate? What is the use of forms? Like that they will ask. Any doubts in today's class? Login, logout, register. No doubts. Okay, so When you guys are showing me your assignments, Narahari, Surya, Bharat, whatever we have done till today, everything, same thing you need to do it in this one, another project. Narahari, Bharat, Surya, maybe what to do. Show me assignments.